What we're going to do with these three shapes is we're going to come up with all of the defining attributes of those shapes. Now, what is a defining attribute? Basically what it is it's a specific characteristic of a shape that tells us more about this shape. So the first thing that we're going to count in each of these is the number of sides each of these shapes has. Let's start with this rectangle. I count 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. The triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides, and the circle doesn't actually have any defined sides. A side is defined as a straight line. Since the circle is one curvature around, it has 0 lines. Next, let's count the different number of corners each of these shapes has. Again, this is a defining attribute. We can count how many corners it has. Corners are defined where two sides meet at a point. So like the bottom right of this triangle is 1 corner, top right is 2, top left is 3, and bottom left is 4. It has 4 corners. This triangle has bottom left, and bottom right, 3 corners. And since the circle has no sides, it will have no corners where those two sides meet. It has 0 as well. And the last thing that we want to check to make sure that these are shapes is that they have to be closed. So that means no openings in between sides. And as we could see, this rectangle is closed. It goes all the way around. The triangle is closed, and the circle is closed. These are all defining attributes of the shapes. That's how you go about looking for these attributes. You identify where they are, and you count them.